can swear, I can joke. I see what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up.
Hey guys, so I forgot to start this vlog, so I'm starting it right now. The first thing you're gonna see is the Friday night football game, and then you're gonna see the car wash, tidbits of that, and then what I did after the car wash. And then I'm gonna upload that today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna upload a video of me and my mom going back to school shopping. So yeah, hope you enjoy. It's gonna be the one.
We go. 1, 2, ready, and I hit the locker. That was not my fault. Okay, oh my god, I slammed into the locker. Two, ready, and she liked it. Yep. Why did you go? Broke her back to it. What are we gonna do? No, that's right. No, the way that you did it, you went inside, you go inside, and then you would go out, and then I would go inside, and you would go out. Okay, but it doesn't, that's not the right way. No, you guys still have to go to the other side. One, two, three, four. What are we doing? Okay, she's going in the middle. Oh, okay. You stand up.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? And
Hey, back to the vlog. We're getting ready to go to the game. Wait, Victoria.
I straddled the chair. Alrighty.
She full on fell. Hey, back. Say hi to my vlog. No. Hey guys, you're so gross. So, we lost. It's not focusing. Okay, we lost.
Tomato, because Maida is still ass, so.
Language. So, I'm just updating you guys. It's Saturday morning at 8 o'clock. And I have to go to stand there. I have to go to an car wash thing. It's really fun. I'm actually excited. It's cold this morning, so I'm wearing a sweater.
But he gave me the money, and I was like,
We got Bojangles.
I know. How many times are we gonna do that?
Those are really cute.
Chanel.
These are so cute. So we're eating more right now because we wanted to come here after premiere. So ski. Eat. I'm here with Caitlin, Ethan, Devin, Caroline, Lace, and somebody else. So.
From here to her house, how long? I don't know where she lives.
Right now I'm walking my doggy. Slash. He doesn't care. But yeah. This is this week's vlog. It's not. I wasn't doing anything interesting this week other than band practice, and that's like it. No, don't eat the grass. Come on. But other than that, we just had a football game, and then we had the car wash. Sorry I didn't get so many shots of like football game and stuff. We're just not allowed to have our phone out during the football game, and we're also not allowed to have, well, we are allowed to have our phone during the car wash. I just didn't want to because, you know, water. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!